Welcome to Mechanic Desk. In this video, we will explain how to set up your workshop. We'll begin by clicking on Settings in the navigation bar at the top of the screen. We'll then click into Workshop Details. This is where you can fill out your workshop details. You can add your logo by clicking in the logo image and uploading an image file from your computer. Ensure it is an image file, otherwise it will not work. This will show on printed documents should you choose to display the logo. Under Workshop Information, you can enter your workshop details, such as the workshop name, ABN, license details, and more. The opening hours can be edited here. These are important if, for example, you are restricting employee access to only within work hours. Under Servicing, select which type of vehicles your workshop will be servicing. This will adjust the attributes you enter when creating and completing jobs. Here, you'll choose whether your workshop is registered for GST and whether your item prices already include GST. This is really important. If you have already imported your inventory in exclusive GST, then turn this on. Your X prices will now be considered the including price, which may no longer be correct. So ensure that this is set up prior to importing any data. If you are unsure, contact the Mechanic Desk support team for assistance. If you want your workshop to send out booking confirmations and reminders to customers automatically, make sure to check Send Booking Reminder and Send Booking Confirmation. These will be sent by either email or SMS, depending on what you select here. Note that each SMS sent incurs a 10-cent charge, which will be billed at the end of your subscription period. If SMS is selected, and the customer phone number is not filled in, it will default back to email for that customer. Note that this does not work the same the other way around. You can adjust how many days before a booking that reminders are sent, as well as a second booking reminder if you want. Leaving this empty won't send a second booking reminder. Remember to click Save. Under Contact Details, you can enter your workshop phone number, address, website, and email. For the address, start typing your address and select from the drop-down provided. Make sure to double-check these, as these will be printed on all documents coming out of Mechanic Desk, including invoices, job cards, emails, etc. Likewise, the workshop's email address will be where we will send important information and notifications about your account. Remember to click Save. In this video, we covered how to set up your workshop information as well as how to configure booking reminders and contact details. If you have any further questions regarding Mechanic Desk, please contact our customer service team. We are here to help.